Now, did you know that by adding a shade structure outside that's actually pointing to your house, you can keep your energy bills down as well?
Yes.
Isn't that amazing?
That is huge savings.
Right? So Coolaroo, stay cool, save money. So I love it. They've got these really cool sail shades. So these are semi-permanent, permanent, or even portable. You can take it with you. Here's the secret. They've got this HDPE fabric. What that means is this is breathable fabric. It's mold, moisture, and stain resistant. It's going to block those UV rays. So it's going to keep things cool, but it's breathable. So you're not going to be baking under these beautiful sail shades that you can see here. Different shapes, different sides, color, whimsical. They also have these grow bags. So I don't know about you, but I have a brown thumb. I don't know how much to water. I don't know, right? So this lets the water get through. So they've just got amazing products. Go to Coolaroo.com, check it out. Gazebos, umbrellas, window coverings, and more. So, hey,